Pattaya's hottest street? Soi Buakhao. If you are visiting Pattaya and you want to experience the city after dark, there is one street you should definitely know about. Soi Buakhao. This street has become one of the most talked about areas in Pattaya, and once the sun goes down, the atmosphere completely changes. The street starts getting busy with tourists. Local residents, restaurants, shops, entertainment venues, and plenty of people simply enjoying an evening walk. What makes Soi Buakhao interesting is that it feels different from some of the more famous tourist areas in Pattaya. Here you can see a mix of visitors from all over the world. Long-term residents, digital nomads, and travelers exploring Pattaya for the first time. During the evening, the streets become bright with colorful signs and lights, and there is always something happening around you. You can stop for food, explore the small streets connected to Soi Buakhao, check out local shops, or simply walk around and enjoy the atmosphere. One of the best things about walking around this area is that you don't necessarily need a big plan. Just take your time, keep your phone or camera ready, and explore. If you are visiting Pattaya for the first time, remember that different parts of the city have completely different atmospheres. Walking Street is famous for its huge nightlife scene. Beach Road gives you the famous Pattaya seaside atmosphere. But Soi Buakhao has developed its own identity. It is busy, colorful, international, and constantly changing. And if you are making a walking tour video, this is definitely an area where you can capture plenty of interesting street scenes. Of course, like anywhere busy with tourists, it is important to stay aware of your belongings and respect local people and businesses. Don't assume everything works the same way as it does back home. Be polite, ask before filming people closely, and remember that you are a guest in Thailand. Another reason travelers enjoy this part of Pattaya is its location. From Soi Buakhao, you can easily explore several nearby areas on foot or by local transportation. So you can make your evening much more interesting by exploring beyond just one street. And now comes the big question. Is Soi Buakhao really Pattaya's hottest street? Well, that depends on what you are looking for. If you want a famous tourist landmark, there are other places you can visit. But if you want a lively street, lots of activity, international travelers, local businesses, and an atmosphere that continues late into the evening, Soi Buakhao definitely deserves a place on your Pattaya itinerary. So next time you are in Pattaya, don't just visit the famous places. Take a walk through Soi Buakhao and see the atmosphere for yourself. And if you enjoy Pattaya walking tours, make sure to follow the channel because we are exploring more of Thailand, one street at a time.